Find features that differentiate it from other brands for CNBRO Smart Bracelet Ultra Thin Fitness Tracker. And why you should choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Ultra Thin Smart Bracelet. This smart band features an ultra-thin curved body of just 2.8 mm. It's lightweight and perfectly conforms to your wrist, delivering an ultimate comfortable experience. You'll hardly feel it on your wrist, it won't disturb your sleep or catch on your sleeve when hidden. If you're not looking at it, you'll often forget this small bracelet even there. Heart rate monitor and sleep tracker. The slim fitness trackers support 24-hour continuous heart rate tracking and other health data, informing monitoring records on the app. And the slim health bracelet will track your last night's sleep duration and provide a comprehensive sleep quality analysis, allowing you to develop good sleeping habits. Activity tracking and exercise modes. The simple smart band will automatically record your daily steps, distance, and calories consumption. And it comes with built-in multiple sports modes, such as running, mountaineering, brisk walking, cycling, yoga, swimming and more activities, to meet your daily exercise needs. IP68 waterproof and call reminder. IP68 waterproof activity tracker supports swimming, washing hands, cold showering and rain, giving you convenience during daily life. Equipped with a simple screen displaying time and battery level. If there is an incoming call on your phone, the smart band will remind you. No subscription fee and 2 straps. The compatible app does not charge any subscription fee, providing customers with a better user experience. This app is suitable for smartphone with Android or iOS system. And the smart bracelet comes with nylon and silicone 2-kind straps. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.